Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about correcting dark spots. So if you have acne prone skin, acne scarring, dark spots, this video is for you. So please continue to watch. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is prep my skin. I'm going to be moisturizing first. Alright, so then I'm going to be adding some primer. Next, we will be going in with our color corrector. Now the color corrector that you use, the shade or the color of the color corrector that you use will be based on your skin tone and the kind of discoloration that you have. So for me, my acne scarrings are dark, as with most women of color, or acne scarrings and dark spots always have a dark look. And so we will balance that out with using a orange color corrector. Normally with doing this you'll need like a concealer brush, but I like to use my fingers. So what I like to do is to just go over the area and to really press that into my skin. I'm not going to cover them all, but I look for the most intense ones. Please use a small amount of product. I always say it's better to have less and add more than to have too much and can't get rid of it. So try to use as small amount as possible, and you can always build as you go along. Alright, so after letting that sit for a bit, because I want it to, dry down into my skin before I add the foundation, because if you just add the foundation right away, it's going to mix in with your foundation and you're going to have this orange look to your skin. So in order to prevent that, I like to just let it sit for a minute or two and then go in with my foundation. I'm using this stippling foundation brush because I have the corrector on my skin. I don't want to be dragging the foundation, because I don't want to lift this corrector layer. So I'm going to use a stippling brush so that I can pat over the skin. Please ensure that the product is evenly distributed on the brush, so like this, and then I go in and I pat over the area, not drag. After this step, I would normally then go in with my under eye highlights and stuff, contour where I want to contour, and do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna do that off camera and then come. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys learned to cover your acne scarrings, your acne spots, and your acne from this video. And if you guys are interested, I will be posting a video on how I did this eyeshadow look, so please stay tuned for that. Don't forget to leave your comments and your requests down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, to share with your friends who have acne also and need to know how to cover them up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I post new videos. And I will see you all, my lovies, in my next video. Bye!
This is paradise dance, like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise.